see this transformation of large automotive companies going from selling cars to selling mobility services. You don't want to own the car, you want to ride from point A to point B. And if we think about maybe 10 years from now, how we'll just be able to call up an app, a car will come get us, and a car will bring us from where we are to where we want to be. There will be no driver in that car. These assets are not going to be a $40,000 or $50,000 automobile anymore. In order to have the level of uptime that would be required to have these cars driving all around the country, taking people from point A to point B, these cars are going to have uptimes or be actually on the road active probably 20 hours a day. That's a very different use case than the car that you take from your driveway, drive to work, sits there for 8 hours, and then you drive home. It's a very different kind of asset. And so what we see is, as we move forward, those vehicles that are moving you around are going to need the same level of maintenance, repair, and overhaul capability and insight that we see in aircraft today. So we see a lot of those similarities, and this is a big driver for us. This is, again, us trying to stay ahead of the game, seeing where the innovation is going, and trying to skate where the puck is going to be, to use a hockey phrase. So that's really about Impressa itself and our capability in MRO. This is more about how we're actually going to do that incorporation. So here on the right side, we have an independent application, be it Impressa or some other thing. And that is built up of a bunch of features that are sitting on top of some common functions like, create data, search for data, delete data, and it's sitting on top of a database. On the left side, we have the Aras platform with a bunch of applications already on it. So what do? Do we just draw some lines across and do integration between technology stack on the left and the technology stack on the right? Or do we start to pull features from the application and incorporate them into the platform? So this is really the goal, and the idea is that based on our existing set of services, based on our existing set of modeling techniques, that we can pull some portion of that application over directly and put it on the platform in a very quick and efficient manner.